Right now, from the Mississippi Live Weather Center, here's meteorologist Gabe Maynard.
Well, good morning and happy Friday to everyone out there. I hope everyone is enjoying the dry conditions we have in place because this does not last forever. Taking a look, the start of the day, of course, dry, but by 1 p.m. and really by noontime, those isolated showers start to pick up once again. Temperature-wise, not too bad either. Right around average for this time of year. Low 70s across the region with a few areas starting in the upper 60s. Can't complain about that in the middle of July. So taking a look at that extended forecast for your Friday, that's where temperatures will start to rise and so will those rain chances. We talked about by noontime, that's really where they could start climbing up just a bit more as that moisture increases back from the south. Attala and Winston County coming in with a few isolated light showers. That's just setting the appetizer for what will be the main course by the afternoon. Those storms really starting to build into Winston County, but the area I want you to pay attention to is along the Mississippi River. Watch how these cells move in across the river and really build in strength. I mean, strengthen pretty quickly too. By 3 to about 5 p.m., that's where we'll see those move through Clarksdale, even into Water Valley and Grenada. And this one right here, I know you're not going to take a cell right here and translate it into tomorrow's forecast, but it shows the atmosphere is primed to at least increase a few of these to be on the stronger side with 30, 40 mile an hour gusts. Even some small hail, definitely not out of the question with this system. So make sure to be watching your radar on Mississippi Live Weather. Just make sure that we are in the clear. We should be good to go. I'm not expecting any severe threat, but where you get some of those mergings that happen, definitely could get a few on the stronger side. Now, as we take a look at high temperatures tomorrow, it shows the unstable environment that we're in with that hot and moist weather. Low 90s across the region, 95 towards Greenville, 93 Clarksdale, Tunica, and even 90 towards Holly Springs and Oxford. Heat indices, though, much higher. We're seeing it well into that heat advisory threshold in Clarksdale for a lot of the Mississippi Delta where that purple's showing up, and even seeing some triple digits trickle into northeast Mississippi, Tupelo, Houston, Bruce, coming in with 100 to about 102. So that hot, muggy air, yes, that sticks around, but so do those rain chances. But enjoy what's going to happen this weekend. A little bit of some drier chances, our downtrend in our rain chances heading towards Saturday and Sunday, so maybe plan some outdoor events then. But of course, downloading that weather app will let you know where those showers are happening, especially by next week where those rain chances really start to ramp up yet again. Thunderstorms once again in the forecast, but temperature-wise, we are ramping things up. Mid-90s expected by the start of next week, so staying cool, staying hydrated, essential as we head over the next 7 days, but also staying dry, very essential. And you can do all of that with the Mississippi Live Weather Radar app, letting you know where you need to be, where those showers are, and how to beat the forecast ahead. So keep it with Mississippi Live Weather for the latest on your weather updates.
When people are fed, futures are nourished. They can connect with the world around them, unlock endless possibilities, and thrive. Join the movement to end hunger. Volunteer. Advocate. Donate. Go to feedingamerica.org/actnow.
Whether it's our stories, the warmth of our laugh, or our family's secret sauce, we all bring something different to the table. So make some space. The power of connection is waiting right outside your comfort zone. Learn how you can help strengthen your community at belongingbeginswithus.org/teamup.